Guys, welcome back to my channel. Beautiful crochet pattern, handbag style ideas, girls and women's, and different and stylish look. Handbag style, full embroidered look styling, different shapes and different looks like mirror and beads. Stone and tassels combination looks, crochet pattern, full embroidered and beautiful looks. Handbags, different and latest ideas. Handbags ideas. Here are some ideas related to handbags and styling. Handbag trends, explore the latest trend in handbags, including style, colors, and materials, and see how you can incorporate them into your wardrobe. Handbag gift ideas. If you're looking for a gift, consider gifting a stylish handbag to a loved one. You can also explore a personalized or handmade option. Handbags brand research and discuss popular handbags brands, their histories and signature style. You can also explore more affordable alternatives and beautiful latest ideas and styling. Like handbags fashion tips, learn how to pair different handbag style with outfit to create stylish looks for beautiful variety ascension. Feel free to ask for more information or details or any of these ideas. So, new and latest stylish ideas for girls and women's, best option and best collection looks for girls and women's. Handbag styles. Crochet handbags are popular and stylish accessories